the evil plan that they made to see how they are going to obstruct this event. But to the glory of God, we have this kind of crowd and we are here live and direct. AMAEHULE, let me start by telling us the reason why we are here. We are here in solidarity with our executive governor, the authentic governor of Rivers State, Sir SYMFONI Joseph. We are here to inform the governor that all the Igwe Ward 1 is for him. No matter what they are planning, whatever thing they are planning, those of them that feel they are God, they are not God. God says you cannot take my glory. You cannot share his glory with anybody. God is God. God is not a man. So we are here for SYMFONI. We are in solidarity with him to show him that Odigwe is for him. Odigwe comprises of 4 communities: Elimbu, Rumehwara, Rumunju, Elos, that made up Odigwe. For all the plan, let me tell us one story. It was a councillor for 6 years in Obio-Akpor, leader. He became an assembly member 8 years with Amechi. Also assembly member under 8 years with Wike. How many years now? Present member again for SIM. Has he called people one day to say he wants to give you money? Has he called you to say thank you for what you've done for me? Has he said so? But today, he's the one now moving from one place to another, wanting to share money. He said, come, I want to give you 50,000. I want to give you 100,000. This is somebody that used to give 200,000 for all the Igwe Ward 1 to share. 200,000. But today, because our son, our energetic son, the rugged son, Ambassador Chioke Humo,
put your hands together for him.
The new president of Rivers State have come to shake the place and to say, my people, you must be liberated. And today we are liberated. And today we are happy to be with SIM. And we are for SIM. We are not those kind of pet things that will be in APC and you be in PDP. We are PDP and we remain in PDP. AMAEHULE, you are welcome. Thank you.
One man that is a single majority, a man that has capacity, a man that has built bridges across the 23 local governments in Rivers State, the man I love. Need me to stand on already established protocol. I'm here just for a simple mission to bring to you the solidarity support of the people of Ikwere local government. Some people have said former this, former that, former chief of staff to the chairman of Ikwere local government. Yes, there comes in a man's life when you will decide to follow the truth. I know no slave master will want his slaves to go. Rivers State has been portrayed to be in an individual pocket. But today, the Nigerian people can feel and see that everybody has a choice. That we decided to follow you does not mean that we are your mugu. Ikwere people are warriors in their right. So when we decide to follow you, we are following you out of love. If you remember, when the former governor Rotimi Amechi felt that he has arrived and he dared Rivers people told him we are not going to follow you. Did we follow him? No. So if we give you opportunity and you want to play with our sensibility, we will tell you that you do not have the authority to control our vote. AMAEHULE, me, those that know me know that I anchored the campaign of SIM in the 23 local governments, including the GDI. At that level of suffering, One man will come and tell me to pay transport to Abuja. I know where Abuja is. On I go fit pay transport go Abuja. Abuja too far. We like backyard here, where we can trek and go. Let me tell you why you need to support SYMFONI. Rivers State people supported when Odile was the governor of Rivers State. We came together and gave him the support for the 8 years he led Rivers people. Not be so. When Amechi became governor, we came together and supported him. And he ruled for 8 years. Not be so. When the minister of FCT became governor, we supported him for 8 years. Not be so. SYMFONI will also be supported for 8 years. If other people say, we are here for SYMFONI. We are here to support SYMFONI. Now, when I say SYMFONI go lead us, we don't agree making lead us. He will continue to lead us, so because he brought him to us and we are supporting him. But I just have one single message to take home. This is Obio-Akpor local government. This is the word of the speaker of Martins AMAEHULE. This is his word, word 1. People are gathering, nobody is killing each other. Everybody is doing their business. The Constitution guarantees you of freedom of association. You have a right to make your choice as long as you are above 18 years. This is the local government of the minister. Nobody is killing each other. People are gathering, expressing their feelings. And he come to Ikore local government because one monster, because he had the opportunity to be a local government chairman, say his people cannot gather. Can he intimidate us? No. That is why we showed him and we have told him we will continue to gather. This same message will go from the ward to the unit. SYM is existing in the 319 wards in Rivers State. SYM is existing in the 4,470 something polling units. So nobody will tell you it's the structure. All of us are the no one man is structure. Structure is me and you. On election day, you cannot be in Obio-Akpor and be in Ikore. You cannot be in Ikore and be in Abuja. You cannot be in Abuja and be in Eche. Which means everybody has a role to play. Not be so. My dear brother Ambassador Chidoke Humo, you have not made only Obio-Akpor people proud. You have made people like us very proud. We are proud of you. We love you. Continue. Forget the distractions. You will be called names. You know, the day you decide not to follow, they will say you don't have political value. I left on the 27th. On the 26th or thereabout, I resigned as the chief of staff of the Ikore local government. Those of you that are social media friendly, you will see that there is too much problem in Ikore local government now. Because I've told the man, I know you, you know me. I know where to block you. And I will block him until Ikore local government will be completely simplified. Rivers State will be completely simplified. I join you in this celebration to say, no matter the story they tell us, if you will remember, in 2015, before the primary election, they told us minister will not resign. He resigned. He will not win. He won. He will not. In 3 months, he won. Story waiting for road plenty. SYM will be removed, no problem. SYM will be this, no problem. SYM cannot talk, no problem. We want SYM to lead us. Not be so. We want SYM to lead us. Not be so. If you do your own, I do my own. Life now turn by turn.
PDP! PDP! Power to the people! The executive governor of Rivers State, ably represented by his youthfulness, Ambassador Chidoke Humo, and his entourage, all protocols duly observed. We want to let the Excellency know today that the non-indigenous in Ward 1 are in his support in totality. we are supporting the executive governor of Rivers State, Sir, similarly Joseph Fubara, in all his doings. There shall be no fear, nothing to grumble about. We are for SIM, and without SIM, there is no network. We must belong where there is network. We must belong where there is a network. No communication can be done without network. You cannot communicate to America without network. So if you see where there is no network, don't go there. We are for SIM. There's no too much words in the evening church service. I am telling you that we are for SIM and we are for him in totality. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. The indigenous, with non-indigenous in Abota. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I need to thank Ambassador Chijeko Ihunwo. He has shown Origwe a very good light. A leader, if you have only one leader in the community, you have not started. The community goes backward. I want to thank you very, very much. I want to tell Sim, what happened to him, the political coup that happened to him, it's not bad. It's to solidify him. Now he has used this opportunity to know those who love him and those who do not love him. That is one. Two is that I'm talking on behalf of all the Wike community. All the Wike community, at least 90% of the Wike people are in his support. And his what? Support. Whenever he calls us, we are going to come out. Despite what our people did by putting canopy here and there, where there's nobody, because they heard that we are coming here today. Did they succeed? No. Now, I want to thank Simi. I want to thank Simi for bringing peace between Rivers State and Bayelsa. Now the friendship has been normalized. And I want to thank Sim for doing what no governor has done in Rivers State by giving 100,000 naira.
To all the civil servants.
To all the civil servants. Even some of us who do not serve, we are begging you to also give us.
One of the civil servants is coming to show us this morning.
Some of us are coming.
One of the civil servants is coming to show us this morning. Oh, yeah.
And all of us are from Origwe. We don't fear anybody. Now we be the structure. Yes, so we get from Obio-Akpor. I have served him and I've worked with him. We know him. Now God they give power. Once your own don't go, your own done. What goes around comes around. When you do Amechi, you know what I say it will be. So for us, now turn by turn. The man where you say you don't go come for food. The man where you say you don't go give him money. The man where you say I don't go do anything with her. I don't be former governor. The man where they make him believe us for making a share. You say man, yes, so we cannot get shame. Now God they give power. Now God doesn't say Fubara go be governor. Make Wike leave Fubara alone. Amechi don't worry, and people don't serve as governor. All they don't serve. Amechi serve. People don't say Amechi give opportunity if follow be governor. Now the open mind where Chibika Amechi give Wike, and then Wike look at our resources, carry the governor. If Chibika Amechi no give opportunity, if another way in day. So now turn by turn. Fubara go be governor. Turn by turn. Of staff, Jonathan and the wife making governor against all. I treat them. I treat them. As in the treat us. They give them for OJ, they collect them back. So now pay back time. Make a tell her nothing they happen. We don't fear anybody. If Martin Zambia will say win, that's what they can tell us. In election, I will write the results. Because Labour Party win all the we don't get in there. They don't win the election. So, I want to assure everybody that is here, that will have a governor that lost people, that lost our people. One governor that have human face. No be person wey go use you, dump you.
Ambassador Chidoke, you go mono cannot number your boo.
No be person wey go use you, dump you. Yes, so we get use and dump. All those people that don't know for social media, I dey pity them. Because all Martins go dump them, they don't go see him back. If not, pack on village, make the name of village. So I don't grand. Live where they lock gates, don't stay for village. So that you go interact with people. No be the right for we don't believe in Facebook, oh. Now we believe in physical. This matter is physical. So make us say they fear, nothing they happen. Now woman born here, so we go to man born now. So and now God, the system will be governor through propaganda. He be governor for 8 years. Fubara go rule 8 years now, turn by turn. So our women, men are stand firm, men are they pray for our governor because same now man will get the fear of God. All the people they say we they be demonic leaders, they don't even fear pastors, they jump for church, they go to bishop, abuse this person. Now I'm telling you one thing. One of our brothers away from Elele where they no catching there. All those persons we see they be demonic people, they don't win election. Okay, Chinda, go they beg David Biomen to beg Ndamati on no one from Masi to withdraw a petition for Abuja. They beg every day, they beg the same people. And you go come, they tell people say this one. And people don't want to hear that story again. Fubara, na innocent man. River State, no be for sale, no be one man estate. When you finish, you pack your load, go. So I want to assure our women, say, Fubara will not disappoint us. Go home, continue to pray for us. If na empowerment, everybody go get. We know they chop a low, we dey give everybody. Because this life na turn by. Tomorrow you go be another person. So make another fear. Nothing to fear. No be to carry people to waka because of put party. They begin put party one place or another. Shape to them because we dey wait for them very soon now. There are people go die, they will call them bring money for burial. Matters go wrong. We don't wait for them this time around. Now bomber to bomber. So make everybody go and go sleep. Fubara now governor for 8 years. Thank you and God bless you.
Here in solidarity with this world and Ambassador Chidoke in particular. And I want to thank God for the opportunity He has given to me. At least I know the nooks and crannies of Obio-Akpor local government very well. And when somebody like me is involved, you should know that the hand of God is there. And they say that our governor does not have structure. We are the structure. I can't be a former local government chairman that has produced members of the House of Assembly, members of the House of Rep, senators, governors, and even presidents. And then you say we don't have structure. It is structure that we use in doing all those magic. And all of you, we are part of that journey. And so, Obio-Akpor is 100% simplified. And that is the truth. Nobody can take it away. And I want to say it without any fear or favor, that our brother, Ambassador Chidoke, have given all of us a good face in the committee of local government in this state. The governor has respect and recognizes Obio-Akpor because our son, Chidoke, National Chairman of Youth Council, River State Chapter, has been able to make us proud, and we are proud of him. We will continue to work with him, his leadership, his executives, everything he has. We will work together, we will join forces together to ensure, the 17 wards of Obio-Akpor local government area, to ensure that same movement gets to all the nooks and crannies. After now, we will be going unit by unit to sensitize the people and to tell the people that the structure of SIM is even in the units. And so we are solidified. Before I come down, I want to tell you that before now, what we have is when we finish working, then we'll dump people who have worked for them. But in SIM movement, SIM have promised all of us, he has demonstrated in less than 1 year that he appreciates whatever you have done for him. That we are gathering here today, SIM appreciate it. And you will begin to see it in a very few months from now. You will begin to see all the dividend of democracy that he has in stock for the people. It's not a promised thing. It's something you will begin to see. And thank God you have your son there, Ambassador Chijoke, who is there, freely represented. There's no way you will be forgotten. I can assure you that. You will be at the forefront. You will be remembered. You will be empowered. In SIM movement, there is no use and dump. There is no use and dump. It is after working, you will be rewarded. So, what you have requested here, be rest assured that Ambassador Chijoke will take it to the governor. He will consider it, and those things that are necessary to be done must be done. And you will see it. Everybody will see it with their eyes. So I want to thank you for coming out in this great number, even though we heard that because you fixed this occasion here today, they started fixing occasion all over Origwe today. But even at that, that did not stop you from coming out in your number to give our governor this respect. I say God bless all of you.
I want to stand on the existing protocol to first say a very big thank you to my principal and my boss, Ambassador, His Youthfulness, Ambassador Chijoke Ehunwo, who has brought the Rivers people to a limelight. Because if not for him, with the help of some persons, our governor would have been pitched last time. But he stood up and mobilized the Rivers youth and said no to Godfatherism in Rivers State. Nobody is more Rivers State than anybody. All of us, we are all Rivers people. So the one man cannot colonize Rivers State. Now, if you see the recent development going on, the governor has paid the civil servants 100 Christmas bonus. He has also paid the coppers Christmas bonus. Has all these things been happening before? No, it has not been happening. Now, I want to also let us know that most time when they say some persons are in the House of Assembly, the likes of Honorable Martins AMAEHULE, when they do some town hall project that doesn't worth any amount, we'll all be celebrating, we'll all be jubilating. I want to ask us something. Are you aware that just a letter written by the Rivers State House of Assembly, just a letter to any oil multinational, any oil company, just that letter, recommendation letter, can give you an employment? I want to ask Obio-Akpor youth that are here today, how many of us has been employed in any company under the leadership of Honorable Martins AMAEHULE? How many of us has been employed in any, has done any empowerment under leadership of Martins AMAEHULE? So today, we have seen it that the youth has come to take over, and will take over. Let me also inform you that the people that has been ruling Rivers State are people that has been in government since 1999. Yes, how old were you then? Most of them, when the former governor of Rivers State, the now minister of FCT, when he became the local government chairman, he was 20-something years. When Martins AMAEHULE became councillor, he was about 19 to 20 years. Now let's check all the youth of Obio-Akpor. Check our age here. Most of us, we don't even have job. We don't even have a good home. But still yet, one person has stayed as House of Assembly for how many years? For 20 years or 18 years. How many persons has been empowered? But just youth council chairman of River State, I know how many persons has been employed in River State and in Obio-Akpor. Ambassador Chijoke Hunwo has empowered the people of Rumunduru. If he has not empowered the people of Rumunduru, I throw this challenge to all of you here. Why is the youth president of Rumunduru here? Why is the former youth president of Rumunduru here? Why are the past escorts of Rumunduru youth? Why are they all here? Why are the chief and council member here? That is to show that he has empowered his people. So at this point, who you go follow? Don't be who know road. Now who be the best way know road? Don't be Ambassador Chijoke Hunwo. Don't be him who go follow. After Ambassador Chijoke Hunwo, when you say more follow, don't be Sim. We don't go follow Sim. We don't go follow Sim. So I beg everybody day in day. I beg. Make we day our day. Day your day. Nobody.
Let you know that the Muslim sisters in the state, they are for Sim. And let's say Islamic sisters. And let's say the mayor of the Islamic affairs. Yes, I know our mayor is Muslim. With heart is Muslim. He's not against our coming here. So what I want to let you know today, me and my Muslim sisters, these are the escorts of Islamic sisters. We cut across the state and outside the state.
Put your hands together for them.
So we are for him and we continue to be with him. With this opportunity you are giving us, whenever you need us, call us. We are ever ready to work with you and to work with you. We have our youth. We are more than 1,000. But because they called us when we are in the mosque yesterday, we choose the escort that we are in the meeting to come and attend this country. We really appreciate. And we continue to work our leader, we are in your word. Most of us are in your word. Majority are in your word. So please continue to work with us. Invite us when you are ready. Sam, you know us very well. I know maybe you have forgotten. In the BSN. May I love you.
Another by is Sapi Okene JP, presented to the Executive Governor of River State on the 6th of January 2024. It is with a very warm heart that the Rumunduru Council of Chiefs and Elders hereby receive you as you and your entourage pay this high and executive visit to the community in Ward 1, or even bracket, or the local government area of River State. Sir, we are not oblivious of the fact that there are some political challenges in River State in the recent, but you still found time to show us high-level sense of care by visiting Rumunduru community today, being 6th January 2024. We are equally not unmindful of the love and care you have been bestowing on our son, Ambassador Chijoke Hunwo, the Southside Youth President of Nigeria. Hence, our love and loyalty to you have been doubled. His Excellency, sir, God has made it possible for you to be with us here today to inform you that the community primary school and government secondary school are seriously yearning for government's attentions to ameliorate the deteriorations therein. It may be further pointed out that the secondary school need more classrooms because it may sadden you to see students sitting on the ground due to lack of enough classrooms. Hence, we are pleading with you to approve at least a 2-story building here, and also authorize the renovations of the primary school section, which has witnessed some decays, as well, thereby impacting negatively on the teaching and learning processes. This will have, by our letter dated 18 January 2023, presented to the River State Government through the immediate past Commissioner for Education, Professor C. Mon. Also, we kindly plead with you to expand Eleohani to Enika Road, and also Oro Igwe Road, spanning from Elios to Elimbu, and other tunnel roads in Rumunduru. Also, worthy of mention is the distilling of our streams/canal. Sir, we would not like to overburden you with requests. Rather, we once more plead with Excellency to grant the needed interventions. Also attached is a copy of the letter mentioned earlier. Sir, we say, Ibialawe, may God in heaven grant you the grace to overcome the present challenges and carry River State to higher heights. Long live PDP. Long live River State. Long live Federal Republic of Nigeria. Signed, Sapi Okene JP, Agent to return the primary Rumunduru community, and Elder Melford C. Amadi, Assistant Secretary to Council.
Please put your hands together for this.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.